Managing Tally data and converting it into NCE financial statements can be time-consuming. With SineWave Cloud, the process becomes faster and simpler. Let's see how Tally to NCE conversion works. To get started, simply visit our cloud portal and register your account. Before you begin, make sure that Tally is open and the required company and financial year data is available in Tally. There is no need to upload any file manually. SineWave Cloud directly fetches the required data from your Open Tally application. From the SineWave Cloud dashboard, open Tally to NCE conversion. Here, you can view the complete conversion history, along with the number of completed, mapped, pending, and failed conversions. To start a new conversion, select the required client. The system allows you to import both the previous year and current year trial balance directly from Tally. First, select the previous year and import the required Tally trial balance file. Once the file is uploaded, SineWave Cloud automatically processes the data and passes the ledgers. The uploaded data is now available for the conversion process. Next, select the current year and upload the corresponding trial balance file. Once both years are uploaded, SineWave Cloud starts processing the financial data. Now, the system displays the ledgers along with their corresponding details. This is where the intelligent mapping feature makes the process easier. SineWave Cloud automatically suggests the appropriate NCE classification for the available Tally ledgers. Instead of manually mapping every ledger from scratch, you can review the suggested mappings and make changes wherever required. You can also search for a particular ledger and review its mapping details. If a ledger requires a different classification, simply select the appropriate NCE category and update the mapping. This gives you complete control while significantly reducing manual effort. Once the mappings are reviewed and finalized, the converted data can be used to prepare the NCE financial statements. The system provides a clear view of the mapped ledgers and their respective classifications, making it easier to identify and verify the information. You can also open individual ledger details whenever you need to review the underlying information. After completing the mapping, move to the NCE report preview. Here, the converted financial information is presented in a structured financial statement format. You can review the different sections of the report, including the relevant income, expenditure, assets, liabilities, and other financial details. The report provides a consolidated view of the information received from Tally and mapped into the NCE format. You can review the figures, classifications, and financial details before generating the final report. If required, you can also review the notes and supporting details available within the report. Once everything has been verified, the report can be generated. Before generating the final report, SineWave Cloud allows you to enter the required signatory details. Enter the relevant information, such as the CA name, membership details, designation, and other required particulars. After completing the signatory details, select Generate Report. The system processes the information and prepares the final NCE financial statement. And that's it. What would normally require significant manual effort in extracting, organizing, mapping, and preparing financial data can now be managed through a single, streamlined workflow. SineWave Cloud making Tally to NCE conversion faster, simpler, and more organized. Thank you for watching. Visit cloud.sinewave.co.in to learn more.